Ndewo. Hi, this is Yvonne from Learn Igbo Now, and the video today is titled Teta Nora. Wake up. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Now, we're going to learn a few phrases today relating to waking up and greetings early in the morning. And three of the most important phrases we're learning today are I boola chi. Good morning. Teta n'ụra. Wake up. Aguu na-agụ m. I'm hungry. Now for the conversation. Chidi, ị bọọla chi? Nne, ị bọọla chi? Oge iteta n'ụra eruola. Seven akuola. Ụra ka na-atụ m. Ee, 7 akuola. Agụụ a na-agụ gị? Ee, agụụ na-agụ m. Ngwa bilie, gaa wuo ahụ, ka m gasie nri ụtụtụ. Daalụ. Nsogbu adịghị. Mee ọsịsọ. Oo, achọrọ m achịcha na akwa biko. Oo. Now, the three main phrases we've learned today are I boola chi. Good morning. Teta n'ụra. Wake up. Agụụ na-agụ m. I'm hungry. Now, a note about I boola chi, good morning. I boola chi is the traditional greeting Igbo people use for saying good morning. There are other ways of saying it, but there's this emerging trend of people saying ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma is a direct translation from English language. So ụtụtụ ọma literally means good morning. Ụtụtụ is morning, ọma is good. So some people have just coined it together, and I'm not saying it's wrong. Well, I am saying it's wrong because it's not the traditional way of greeting good morning. But at the end of the day, it's up to you. But the traditional way of greeting in the morning is ibolachi or isalachi. Or sometimes someone might say "Una ipotakwalo. Did you come out well?" So that's the point I wanted to make. Okay, great job. Practice makes perfect. So you need to go over this lesson a lot of times, making sure you say the words out loud as many times as possible, especially for conversation practice lessons. Repetition works. So the more you repeat the words, the more you master it, and then the closer you get to speaking Igbo. Now, question for today. What did you think about this video? And what kind of videos would you like me to create on this channel? So just let me know in the comment section below and I'll do something about it. If you liked this lesson, click on the like button and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so. Then you can also check the description box of this video for links to useful resources that will help you learn Igbo. Thanks for watching and then see you next time. Komesia. Bye.